Namaste. I, Nandini, head girl of the school, welcome you all in the morning assembly of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today is 21st January 2022. First of all, I would like to invite our Sanskrit teacher, Acharya Sunil Dutt Gautam, to share today's Panchang with us. Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2078, शक संवत 1943, आज माघ माह के कृष्ण पक्ष की तृतीया तिथि है। आज का नक्षत्र आश्लेषा, आज का योग आयुष्मान है। प्रविष्टे की बात करें तो आज माघ माह के 7वें प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं। मुस्लिम माह जमत उलसानी की आज 16 तारीख है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to start the prayer. So I request you all to close your eyes and join your hands for the prayer.
All classes be ready for Gayatri Mantra. All classes be ready for prayer.
जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। जय वीरेश्वर जय शिव शंकर जय 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 महाराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। तिमिरहर प्रखर दिवाकर उदित जगत हितकार। मोह तिमिरहर प्रखर दिवाकर उदित जगत हितकार। तमनाशक जड़ चित्त जगवत चेतन सकल समाज। तमनाशक जड़ चित्त जगवत चेतन सकल समाज। मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल। 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 त्रिभुवन के सरताज। मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल। त्रिभुवन के सरताज। सकल विद्या कांति हरो प्रभु। सकल विद्या कांति हरो प्रभु। चित में करो विराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज।
अस्तो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम। Be ready for national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम।
Now it's time to chant shlokas from Srimad Bhagwat Geeta, which you can see on your screen. So I request you all to listen carefully and speak together with our Sanskrit teacher.
धर्म क्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे संवेतायुयुत्सवः। मामकः पाण्डवाश्चैव किम् अकुर्वत संजय। कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन। मा करं फलहेतुर्भूर्मा ते संगोत्स्वकर्मणि। कर्मण्येव हि संसिद्धि मा स्थिता जनकादयः। लोकसंग्रहमेवापि सम्पश्यन् कर्तुमर्हसि.
Now, I would like to invite Diksha of Class Plus 1 Medical to share a motivational story with us. Namaste, Diksha.
Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. Myself Diksha from St. Vivekanand Millennium School of Class Plus 1 Medical. Today I am going to narrate a story of the selfish man. Once upon a time there was a selfish man. He liked everything to be his own. He could not share his belonging with anyone, not even his friends or the poor. One day the man lost 30 gold coins. He went to his friend's house and told him how he lost his gold coin. His friend was a kind man. As his friend's daughter was coming to home, she found 30 gold coins. When she arrived home, she told her father what she had found. The girl's father told her that the gold coins belongs to his friend and he sent for him. When the selfish man arrived, he told him how his daughter had found his 30 gold coins and handed them to him. After counting the gold coins, the man said that 10 of them was missing and had been taken by the girl as he had 40 gold coins. He further commented that he will recover the remaining amount from him, but the girl's father refused. The man left the gold coin and went to the court and informed the judge there about what had taken place between him and the girl's father. The judge sent for the girl and her father, and when they arrived, asked the girl how many gold coins did she find. She replied 30 gold coins. The judge that asked the selfish man how many gold coins did he lose, and he answered 40 gold coins. The judge then told the man that the gold coin did not belong to him because the girl found 30 and not 40 as he claimed to have lost, and then told the girl to take the gold coin and that if anybody is looking for them, he will send for the girl. The judge told the man that if anybody reports that they have found 40 gold coins, he will send for him. It was then that the man confessed that he lied and that he lost 30 gold coins, but the judge did not listen to him. So, dear friends, the moral of the story is this story teaches us to be always honest, as dishonest never pays. Thank you.
Thank you, Diksha. Now, I would like to invite Akshat of class 7th A to share a motivational thought with us. Namaste, Akshat.
Namaste, I am Akshat Gupta of class 7th A. Today I am going to share a wonderful thought of Swami Vivekanand ji. The thought is, all power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Akshat. Now it's time to wish our birthday students. Today is the birthday of Shivani Gundal of Plus 2 Commerce, Aiti of 6th B, and Vinayak Thakur of 6th A. Let's wish them by singing the birthday song. So I request you all to sing with us and bless the students.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की. सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की. तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना, तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना. तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की, तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
Thank you all all for sharing your blessings. For more information regarding the school, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. That's it in today's assembly. Take care of yourself and have a great day. Namaste.